Hey guys, it's me Jackson. Welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to compare these two cubes. So I have this Rubik's cube, and then I have this Speedcube. There's just this on this, if you can read it. So we're doing Rubik's brand versus non-Rubik's. This is a Speedcube. This is just a Rubik's cube. Turns okay, but this is good. So we're going to do the exact same scramble on each, and we're going to see which one is faster. Alright, let's do this. Alright, and we're going to solve both of these side by side. Alright, so let's cut the video. Oh my god. What the? How is that possible? But now, the actual test. Let's try it. Let's see how we can do this. This is the quickest solve. 3, 2. Let's go. 48, let's go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below for more videos. And see you soon. But first, next video, I'm just going to say, make sure you gotta solve this.